Welcome to my review of the Allianz Retirement Planning Tool. Want to learn more? Product links are in the description below. The Allianz Retirement Planning Tool offers a complete solution for securing your financial future and maximizing retirement savings. Known for insurance and investment expertise, Allianz has designed this tool for a balanced approach to retirement planning, combining security and growth potential. Its standout feature? Guaranteed income options. Concerned about outliving your savings? Allianz offers various annuity products through the tool, ensuring steady income throughout retirement. This is ideal for minimizing uncertainty during the transition from earning to spending. The user-friendly interface guides you step by step, visualizing your financial future with clear, interactive projections. Input your assets, retirement age, desired lifestyle, and other factors for a detailed roadmap. From conservative to aggressive, the tool accommodates various investment strategies based on your comfort level and goals. Integrated educational resources cover Social Security, tax-efficient withdrawals, and managing healthcare costs, empowering informed decisions. Prefer expert advice? Allianz provides access to financial advisors for personalized guidance. The Allianz Retirement Planning Tool is perfect for anyone prioritizing financial stability and a straightforward, yet comprehensive, retirement strategy. It's especially suited for those who value both security-focused options like annuities and the flexibility to adapt to life changes. For a deeper dive into Allianz's offerings, check the links below.